In this video, we will learn three different methods of combine data in Excel sheet. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some customer name with the first name and last name. I want to combine this name. So I'm using here first method. Okay, just enter the full name and select the cell with the below cell and press Ctrl plus E. This is a flash fill method. Second is equal to select the first name and select the second name and just enter. Copy this formula below cell. You can see here customer name is combined. You can see here the if you want to insert the space between the two name, just edit the formula, double quote space double quote and just enter, paste the below cell formula. Okay, you can see here the space is insert in every name of customer. Now I am using the third method is equal to text join tab double quote space double quote double comma and select the range of both name and bracket close, enter. Copy paste the formula or drag this formula below cell. You can see here the customer name is combined. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.